The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for the Ishares 20-year Treasury bond ETF with the ticker symbol TLT. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give that video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only. It does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have the daily chart for TLT. Last time I did my analysis, price was trading at the 106 level, 106.15, and we closed last Friday, yesterday, at the 106.71. So pretty much a flat price action. So if price is just going flat for about a week, then we can put a range for it. So this looks like the range pattern that prices are inside of. So we saw a little breakout on the top, so we could see a little breakout on the bottom, and that would take us to this possible level right here. This is the first leg down, the second leg down, right around the 104.50 level. So I think we could see maybe another pullback fairly shortly. Maybe not. We don't have to. We can still continue higher, but it does look like this pullback is possible to the 104 level. Let's put some channels on this chart. You see that we had this nice strong move up. So this channel is fitting against the price action pretty good. Then we saw the crash down, but then we saw a symmetrical reversal. So this is not a good sign if you're a bear, because when you see the market just drop and we reverse pretty much the same speed as we went down, that's not a good sign. It means that we can just wipe out everyone up here. So the market still can do that. I still think there's probably another leg up left in this market. So it does look like prices are attempting to take out these highs at this 110 level, 109.79, 110 level. So it does look like they want to take out those highs. Let's go and make this channels orange and show you guys the bigger possible uptrend channel. We do have 3 touches on the bottom side, but prices are struggling to reach the top. So this one could be invalidated by a strong move or a break through this level right here. So if we see the pullback to the 104 level, we definitely need to see this 103 level hold. If not, there's a good chance prices attempt to go up many times and it's going to fail, and we're just going to see prices trend down with the prevailing trend. So that's what prices do. If it's going to do some stuff multiple times, and if it can't do it, it's going to do the opposites. Right now, prices are attempting to take out this 109 level. So we just had the first attempt. Now we're seeing a pullback. Now if we go up a little bit more and we start seeing selling, then that second attempt failed, and we're going to see a strong move down. Now if we don't even get that attempt, then that's not even a good sign either. But I think we're going to get that attempt. The market likes to do things multiple times, so we're not going to just we could just crash down. Again, nothing is there's no like set rules in the market. It's not always 100%, but it does happen more times than not. So I'm expecting this pullback to occur to the 103 level. This will be a breakout side of this little green range, which can be a trap for the shorts, and then we can see a possible another leg up. So this will take us to let's just say we pull back to the 104 level. This will take us to the 113 level. So we'll have to wait and see if the market wants to do that. So that's everything I have on the daily chart. Basically just kind of flat from last week. We could see a further pullback to the 103, 104 level, which then I'm expecting another attempt higher to take out this 109 level, or we can get that attempt right now. So if this is the pullback right here, prices could still rally out of here. So basically I'm still bullish. It does look like there's more signs telling me that we should continue higher. We're still holding above the EMA, you can see. So I see more signs on the chart telling me we should continue higher in the short term. Now the long term is a slightly different story. You can see that we've been selling off since March of 2020. So here's the weekly chart, and a strong downtrend formed from November 2021 all the way till October 2022. So basically this downtrend could be played out. You can see if I connect the swings, this is fitting okay against the price action, and we had a break and a new low. So that could lead to a bottom. However, if I adjust the channel, this is still fitting against the price action. So which one is right? Well, I don't know for sure. We're gonna have to wait and see. So that's why traders are reluctant to, just rally the market out of here because they still looking at this possible downtrend that has not played out. Basically, we came up short here, which will lead to a breakout on the opposite side. So we already got the first attempt lower. Now I'm going to wait for the second attempt. So right now we had the break of the channel. We had the first attempt lower. So normally when you get a break of a channel, we're going to get a couple attempts to the extreme. So this is the first attempt to this extreme right here at the 91. We rallied up. Now prices are going to be going up a little bit more, and then we're going to start seeing a drop. Now if we start seeing a drop and it doesn't fail, meaning we just continue to drop and drop and drop, then we're going back to the lows. Now if we just see a little drop and it fails, then we could see another large leg up, and that could take us to the, let's take a look at this measured move, possibly to the 116 level. So the market can definitely rally all the way up here. So let me do that again. First leg up, second leg up. So maybe we'll get the second attempt lower when we reach this measure move target at the 116.81 level. So basically, market's been holding above the EMA for 3 consecutive weeks. It's looking pretty good, but sometimes you could also look at the chart like I had before. We had the trend a little bit steeper, and we already had the break right here. This is the break, new low, overextension led to a strong reversal, but we're not really seeing prices shoot through the EMA. So that's why it's telling me that there's a good chance that this channel is this one right here instead of the steeper one. You can see that we're struggling to go up, so I think we're gonna go up a little bit more, maybe the 116, 117 if it's really bullish. Well, that's probably after the failure, but I'm expecting maybe a little bit more higher prices, maybe retest this 109 level, and then if we see that second attempt start taking off, then we're going back down to these lows. If we see it fail and you see that prices are still holding above this EMA, then we're going to rally to the 116 level, and then we have to reanalyze if this will be acting as resistance for prices to continue lower, or we are in a uptrend. So that's all I have for TLT this week. It's looking pretty good in the short term. Medium to long term, I want to see these attempts being made. I want to see the attempt lower first before me being more confident that this is the bottom. As right now, there's a good chance it probably isn't. So we'll have to wait and see. The SPY is definitely looking like it wants to drop after being overextended. All these measure moves are being reached. So if the SPY is dropping, I believe it's going to be pulling down TLT because they've been pretty synchronized since this whole bear market. So we'll have to wait and see. But that's all I have for TLT this Saturday. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel since you might be surprised at what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.